So here we have the Zebronics ZEB-Max Pro mechanical keyboard. It has 104 keys and multimedia keys included. It's a USB keyboard and it has some lighting effects. The cable quality are also quite good. It's a braided cable and the connector was also golden color. It has multicolor LEDs and different level of brightness. So that's about it. This product price, retail price in India is 3,999 and it's made in China, as you can see. These are some of the features and specs mentioned on the box. So now let's have a look at the keyboard. So here is the keyboard. It comes with this plastic dust cover also that you can use whenever you are not using the keyboard. You cannot type from over it, but it can be used as a dust cover. So the height of keys is good and there is a nice click that you can feel. So the tactile feel is great. It has a dedicated function key that you can use to control the lighting effects, and I think it can also control the multimedia keys that are combined with the function key. So let's have a look at the different lighting effects that come with the keyboard. So let's have a look at the different LED effects. The LED effects can be changed using the function key plus this insert home, page up, page down keys. So let me switch to some different effects. I have not yet gone into the details of all the possible effects, so I'll just browse through the different effects. You can also change the color. So in this effect, whichever key you click, the lights waves from that point. In this effect, whatever you type, that keys remains lighted. Here only the row of the key you press shows a waving light. And this is just a waving light. You can also change the brightness using these up and down arrow keys with function key, and you can switch off the LEDs as well if you don't want them. So I think which is great. You know, some people can find it distracting after a while, so they can switch off the LEDs as well or have a brightness lowered if you are working in a darker room. So overall, I say I really like this keyboard. It has a very nice feel, good quality, good build quality, robust, and very nice lighting effects that you can turn off also if you want.